Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Altec Lansing Xpedition 8. Now this is an everything-proof party speaker. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $400. Alright, so let's check this out. Alright, so here we go. Altec Lansing Xpedition 8 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Now this is everything proof. You get 24 hours worth of wireless playtime, extreme sound with legendary bass, intelligent stereo orientation, so that means you can stand this up horizontally or vertically. Adjustable beat sync lights, and like I said, it's water resistant, Bluetooth Nfc. Let's see, did we miss anything else? Perfect sound, perfect party. Now you got dual 8-inch woofers and 3 1-inch tweeters powered by a 420 watt amplifier, blast music to reach every person at your party with clarity. Durable and waterproof with an IP67 rating, dust and water are no match. Xpedition can withstand 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Built-in dance party. LED light show featuring 12 color combinations from the woofers, plus 2 strobe lights with dance with your music with your favorite songs. So these are going to beat with the songs. Total control of your media. Alright, so with Bluetooth and NFC connection capabilities, devices pair easy, plug in other devices using an aux cable. Customization and flexibility. The Xpedition has been designed to disperse sound whether standing upright or laying on its side. Alright, so that's adjustable orientation. Stay charged up, never lose connection from your phone, so that means you got a built-in battery charger. Alright, so here we go. Party lights, dual 8-inch woofers. You got your carrying handle, easy NFC pairing, link with your Xpeditions. Alright, so you can sync 2 of these together. Bluetooth pairing. Alright, so let's unbox this and see what you get inside. Alright, so here's everything you get in the box. You get your usual books and shit, file those to the side. You get your power cable. And you get a car charger. Now this is pretty dope because this is a travel speaker, so charge it up in the car. Now there's 2 things I forgot to mention. Earlier I said it is waterproof, but the speaker does float. And when it floats upright with the speakers facing up. Now the second thing I forgot to mention, this speaker activates beast mode literally. You see that button that says beast? We're going to talk about that in a second. Now as far as the build quality, plastic material with your metal speaker grills. It is a little on the heavy side, but you could easily carry this with one hand if you go to the gym. If not, then you're going to be struggling. Alright, so let's power this up. Here's your power button. Let's see if we got voice prompts.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Okay, voice prompts on deck. Here's your strobe button. Okay, activate your strobe lights. Here's your light button. Activate the speaker lights. Now here's your volume knob. And if you notice, the LEDs, they do move as you lower or increase the volume. Here's your link button, just in case you want to connect another speaker. And check this out. That button says beast. Activate beast mode. We definitely got to try that out. Here's your Bluetooth button. On the top, you got your NFC tag, and you got a nice handle with some Altec Lansing branding. Nice quality handle on this. Let's flip it around to the top. Another handle, same quality. On the bottom, now you got another handle, and you got 4 rubber stoppers, just in case you want to stand the speaker upright. All right, let's take it over to the back. Now, since this is a waterproof speaker, you got a little flap. Unlock that. This is your DC in. That's where you're going to plug in the speaker. If you want to use the car charger. Here's your AC in if you want to use your house plug. 3.5 for non-Bluetooth devices. You got a USB out, just in case you want to charge your phone or your tablet. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you're getting in the water, lock this into place. You got to unlock and a little lock symbol. Okay. On the top, Xpedition branding. All right, so here we go. Let's set this up. We'll do it like this. Let's grab a phone. We'll pair this up, and then we got to play some music. All right, so I got this all paired up. So now let's test it out. Now, as far as the pairing process, real simple. Hit the Bluetooth pairing button, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the Altec Lansing. Now, if you got a phone that has NFC, tap it to the NFC tag, pair it up in less than 2 seconds. All right, so here we go. Max volume. Let's play some music. Let's hit the strobe lights. right, y'all, let's activate beast mode. On a scale of 1 to 10, y'all know what I'm getting ready to say. This is a major, major, major go. Now, I know the main question everybody's going to ask is which one is better, this or the Sony GTK XB90? Is this worth the extra $100? And the answer is yes. 3 reasons. Number 1, this one is waterproof and it does float. Number 2, the sound quality is louder and it has more bass. And number 3, the most important reason, beast mode. That beast mode button, when I pressed it just now I don't know if this mic is going to do it justice. The floor in here is shaking. All right, I'm back here two-stepping. This is crazy. Let's play another song real quick. Let's take it over to one of my classics. Yo, the bass on this is ridiculous. Now, I had to pause that for a second. I'm going to try to angle the speaker. I want y'all to see if y'all can see these speakers vibrating. Now, for me, that always makes it feel a little bit better, and it makes it just more of a party environment when you see them speakers rumbling like that. Take it back to the music. I'm going to turn this to the side. Look at the speakers shaking. Let me pause that. I'm getting too hyped back in. All right, now we got to check to make sure that the USB charger works. So let me grab a phone. All right, so I just plugged in a USB cable. So let's see if we can charge up a phone. Bingo. All right, so I want to take it back to the music one more time because we need to hear this again. All right, here we go. One more song from my new mixtape coming up. Drop that beat. All right. Whew. Like I said, now let me try not to be a hype beast, but I don't care. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. I was debating on, am I going to get 2 of these? And the answer is without a doubt, I'm definitely getting another one. I'll do an updated video. If this one sounds like this, imagine one here and one on the other side of your room, or one in your backyard and one in the driveway. This is insane. All right, this is killing the Sony GTK series. You got more battery life, 24 hours worth of battery life. So that means even on max volume, you're getting 12 hours. That's the length of any party. Fully water resistant, and it does float. You got your strobe lights, your LEDs. The volume knob lights up. That beast mode button, the beast mode button, like I said, the mic is not going to really do it justice, but when you hit that button, you're going to feel that extra bass. Now, the only thing missing from this is a remote control, but you can still control your music from your phone. It would have been nice if they had a remote. Other than that, this is a major win right here. Stay tuned on my next stream. I'll have another one by the time I do my next stream, and I give y'all the updates. But buy this, all right? If you're on the fence, buy this immediately. When you see these speakers vibrating, you're going to feel like you're in the party. I'm a little bit out of breath. I'm back here two-stepping. It is what it is. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.